Hello everyone, this is Arlene Mendez and I'm back with our DIY for today. I just have here some materials that's easy to find. Actually, I only got it from Dollarama. So everything here is just costing $1 or $1.25 each. So we'll start with the flowers here because it's now almost fall in Canada. So these are the ones that I got, and this is also perfect for the holiday season, which is Thanksgiving. And also we have the bamboo. You can also get it for $1. And we have some leaves here, fall leaves, and I got it a pack, like just one pack, but there's like at least 250 worth of this. So what I did, I just put some string in it. Like for each leaf I put a string, so at least it can hold the leaves. And I have different colors, and I have this for our decoration and the bamboo that I got. So first we're going to just glue this around the flower base. So we're just gonna use the glue gun. So this is very simple. It doesn't take, it maybe just less than 10 minutes. You have a very pretty flower base. And instead of buying a real bouquet, or sometimes it's hard to buy a real flower because of how much the cost is. With this one, you can give it to somebody, or you can even keep it for yourself, just spending at least less than $5, because all of those here, we're actually, some of the leaves, we're going to do it for the next bouquet that we're going to do. So we just have to glue this, and as you can see, this one is very easy. So now we have like a decorated vase. So from there, we're going to put some leaves around this vase. So to make it more colorful, we just keep gluing. So this is the first one. You just have to be artistic, or have some, patience on doing some DIYs. And when, of course, when you see that it's pretty, it's satisfying to look at. And just keep putting some more leaves. I use this kind of glue because it's a lot easier to do with, because it's electric glue, or hot glue, sorry. So there you go, it's almost done. This is one good thing with DIY, because you can just experiment, and if you're satisfied with the outcome, of course you can display it. If not, you can always redo it. But most of the time, whatever I do, I just kind of like it, so I ended up displaying it all the time, or giving it to somebody. So this is just very easy. You don't even have to have lots of materials. It's only whatever you see here. So let's put a bit more. It's nice. The weather here in Canada is almost changing again, and few more maybe weeks or months, then we're gonna be facing with snow again. Actually, we have to have fall first. The leaves will turn into these colors. That's why I love this too, because you know, if you cannot go outside, you can just even bring the colors inside your house. So by just doing this, then you'll have a pretty flower here, flower vase. So after this, so this is what we have, and we'll just put more the bottom here. Then we can put our bouquet. So there you go, one more on the other side. So this is what we have right now. So we're going to just fold the flower because this is long. You can always use this some other time, so just do it like this, and then fold another one like that. You can also give it to somebody if you want to, just put it in a plastic and then make it as a pretty bouquet of flower. There you go. And the last one. So you can just arrange this, and there. So it's very simple. We can even put a butterfly at the front. Here's the butterfly. We can just stick it here to make it even better looking. So I hope you like my bouquet of flowers, and I'm going to put it in a plastic because I can also give this as a gift for one of my friends, so I know they will like this one. And thank you for watching. I will show you the next flower bouquet that we're going to do.